Hey guys, this is Marv De Leon of Freelance Blend Podcast and Freelance Blend TV, and today I will teach you how to set up and activate your EON Bank card. So you've probably seen the other videos where we talked about the benefits of having an EON card, especially for us freelancers, and we also showed you the unique feature which is Selfie banking. So now, if you've already gotten yourself the EON card, which I have right now here on my hand, of course I covered the card number for security purposes, but you can actually, if you haven't gotten yourself this purple card, the EON bank card, then you can just purchase one from any of your favorite convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Ministop, all day, or you can also order online from Lazada.com. So assuming that you already have the card and you opened up the package, the starter package, you will see there yung activation code. So now we will demonstrate from my iPhone how to set up and activate the card that you just purchased from the app. So I will now go to my iPhone. So you can now see my iPhone, and there is the EON icon for the EON app. Make sure you have the latest version so that you won't experience any bugs. So we just actually downloaded the latest version of the app. So I will now tap the EON icon and wait for it to load. You will be then asked, this is now the selfie banking. I will take off my glasses for this to work properly. And it's now loading. Okay, so you now see the registration screen. Welcome. Have you registered before? So if this is your first time, so we'll assume this is our first time. And then you'll see the EON terms of use. So make sure to read it, and we'll just scroll down and click continue and click agree. Okay, so let's get started. Now you need to choose one. I want to open an EON account, which what we'll do, or maybe not. I want to use my Visa debit or prepaid card issued by other banks. So it will definitely be, so you already have the EON card, click the first option and then continue. Okay, awesome choice. To set you up, which one of these do you have? EON Starter Kit. I receive a fast reg. I don't have any account, but I'd like to open an EON account now and link card later. So you can actually do this even without an EON card yet, but we already have a starter kit, so we'll choose the first option. So the starter kit is the one that you buy from the stores or the one that you get from Lazada. So again, click continue and agree. So this is the EON card that I showed you earlier. So just grab the card and get the card number shown in front. So the card number is the 16 digits. If it's a Visa, it starts with a 4. So the EON card is a Visa. So just key in the card number that you got from the starter kit. Of course, we won't show the actual card number for security purposes. And then the activation code is the one that you get when you open the starter kit. So you'll see a 6-digit activation code inside. So just key it in and then continue. Okay, for the next screen, you will be asked for an ID. And if you're asking what are the requirements to open an EON card, an EON account, is just an ID and of course a starter kit, and that's it. So you can choose from any of the valid IDs: alien certificate of registration, driver's license, GSIS, passport, PhilHealth ID, PRC ID, school ID, SSS, TIN, UMID. So for this demo, I will use my driver's license. So just select that, done, and then enter your ID number. So for the driver's license, you find it, it's the license number in front of your license. Done, continue. Okay, so you'll be then asked to scan or capture the front of your ID. So just make sure it's not dark. So obviously for this demo, it's a bit dark because I don't want you to see my personal information. So, but for this demo, we'll say this is clear. Capture. Yes, this photo is clear. And then you will be asked to scan or capture the back of your ID. So just click capture. Yes, this photo is clear. Now, you will be asked to input your preferred user ID and password. So that's what I just did. And then make sure that it's a mix of upper and lowercase letters and numbers of at least 8 characters long. So how do you want to log in? So either the Selfie banking, which you just did earlier, Touch ID, or user ID and login password. So we'll be using the facial recognition or the Selfie banking, and just click continue. So here you'll input your personal information. So let me just do that now. So now that you have entered all your information, just click continue. The next screen is for you to choose whether to key in a security code every time you confirm a transaction. So it really depends on you. For now, we'll just click continue. And here, if you want to access your EON account from a web browser, so probably from your laptop or PC, click allow it. And then alerts, notifications, you can also receive via your phone or email. And block access to the app if your locked device setting is off. So for this demo, we won't block it. Alright, so you're now being asked to nominate a 6-digit PIN. Continue. And make sure to take note of your PIN, and you'll see instructions on how to use the app. And this is now the dashboard of your EON app. I hope you learned something new today from our video, and you will go out and get yourself this EON card, especially if you're a freelancer who wants to get his or her funds from your client immediately. You can just transfer it on the same day using your EON card. But first, you need to follow the video that the step-by-step video that we just showed you earlier on how to activate the card. Now, if you have any questions or comments about the EON card or anything about freelancing, please comment down below this video. Lastly, if you want to receive more tips on freelancing, please subscribe to Freelance Blend TV at freelanceblend.com/tv.